A traditional enterprise network consists of three layers: access layer, aggregation layer, and core layer. Protocols with different functions are deployed at different layers. To ensure node reliability, the aggregation and core layers use dual-node networking. As more services are deployed, the disadvantages of this networking become increasingly obvious. First, while dual-node redundancy design at the aggregation and core layers improves network reliability, it complicates the network structure and interconnection relationship and makes network expansion difficult. Second, the redundancy design causes loops in the tree structure of the network. As the enterprise grows, the scale of loops expands. Protocols such as MSTP are usually deployed to eliminate such loops, and the network also runs protocols such as VRRP to support node redundancy. However, this reduces link utilization and makes network protocol deployment and maintenance difficult. To solve these problems, Huawei S-series switches provide the stacking function. This function virtualizes multiple switches into a single logical device to implement device-level redundancy, ensure network reliability, and simplify network structure, management, and maintenance. The stacking function has the following advantages. First, by virtualizing multiple devices into a single logical device, the stacking function replaces the complex mesh structure with a simple loop-free tree structure and eliminates loops on the network. This means that protocols such as MSTP and VRRP do not need to be deployed. Second, different devices in a stack system back up each other. Features such as link aggregation can be deployed to reduce the convergence time of MSTP and the switchover time of VRRP, further improving network reliability. In addition, switch stacking makes the network highly flexible and scalable. If the port capability needs to be expanded or a device needs to be replaced due to a fault, you can do so without interrupting services. Finally, because the stacked switches can be managed as one switch, the administrator can enjoy reduced network management and maintenance workload.